A little colder today. Kissing now. I think it's going to be like 5 below tonight. Or tomorrow morning or whatever. But it's not going to last. Get your manado. Utapana niwi asema. Great spirit. Accept my tobacco. Miigwech. Kaiji kakina gegu. Kaiji chikean. Iji onagoshin. Thank you for everything that you do this evening. Miigwech ga Iji bamadazian. Thank you for this life. Miigwech ga Iji Kakina. Thank you for everything. Kakina gegu. Thank you for everything. Thank you for getting me through the hard times so I can appreciate the good times all the more. Have you noticed that? You can't really appreciate the good times unless you've been through some hard times. You take it for granted. You know? You don't know what it's like to really relax unless you've had to work really hard. You don't really appreciate freedom unless you've been a slave. Whether it's a slave to the job, a slave to the expectations, a slave to money, a prisoner. You know, miigwech for getting me this far. You know, after a while, I think elders, they just start being grateful for just making it that far. They're no longer like mad that they didn't become millionaires. They're just so grateful they didn't die. Like, thank you for just, I can still breathe and I'm 80 years old. Thank you for that.
She said it's none of my business, but it breaks my heart. Dropped a dozen cheap roses in my shopping cart. I made it out to the truck without breaking down. Everybody knows you in a speed trap town. And it's a Thursday night, but there's a high school game. Sneak a bottle up the bleachers and forget my name. And these 5A bastards run a shallow cross. It's a boy's last dream and a man's first loss. Never did occur to me to leave till tonight, when there's no one left to ask if I'm alright. I'll sleep until I'm straight enough to drive, then decide if there's anything that can't be left behind.
I don't really care. I never got my cool sports car I'd hoped to have when I was a teenager. You know, just survival in the end is worth being grateful for. And I know Natasha says it a lot, but I really do believe it's the antidote for depression. Certainly the antidote for anxiety is gratitude. Miigwechwendem. Miigwechwendem. Gratitude. So get your manado. Great spirit. Ni miigwechwendem. I'm grateful. Kaiji kakina gegu for everything. I'm grateful I had the bad jobs. I'm grateful I got dumped by women I thought I loved. Because I never would have ended up with Natasha if I had. I was talking about this the other night too. I'm grateful for all the times I've been fired from these jobs I didn't like anyway. You know, I didn't have enough faith in myself to quit a job. You know, and there was always the issue of survival. I didn't have faith that I could survive on my own without a job or whatever. I didn't necessarily believe I could create a job that I didn't hate. I just thought, well, that's just survival. You got to do something you hate every day so you can pay the rent and your car payment, so you can get to the job that you hate, so you can get, you know, this vicious, pointless circle, you know. But now I'm so grateful that I got fired so often, because it made me, if I'd been more successful in something else, I never would have ended up doing the podcast, standing out here in the snow, you know. I would have been, you know, successful and happy. No, so I'm grateful for all the failures. You fail your way right into where you're supposed to be sometimes. My grandma said once, you know, sometimes the Creator doesn't open doors for you. He just slams all the doors shut. He doesn't want you going down. It's like, nope, not this way, not that way either, not that way either. And you keep finding yourself what you just think is being rejected, but He's actually just keeping you on your path, on the red road. Some people say, you know, that the Great Spirit's actually the one in control of your life. And you can resist Him and try to break through those doors that He doesn't want you going down. He'll let you do that. But if you're a little more passive and you kind of trust and, you know, follow Him, you know, look for signs in life. Trust your gut feeling. Pray. And He'll take you where you want to be anyway, where you're supposed to be. So miigwech for that too. Gichimanado. Miigwech for the footprints in the sand. When I thought I was walking on my own, and you were just carrying me. Miigwech. Ni miigwechi wandam gichimanado. I'm grateful, Great Spirit. Apenge. Amen.